welcome, it's me Zerwick here. Today I'm gonna do a behind the scenes of the Sunkiller, because some of you requested it, and I'll just gonna show you the basic mechanisms behind it. Okay, so basically, if you can't remember, you just flick all three levers, push this 3 times. Then the lights go on. Put the sponge in here, and then it says killing the sun. Then if you take any one of the outputs out, it turns it back on. Okay, just gonna show you the basic mechanisms behind it. Just reset that one. Okay, for the 3 levers that you need the 3 outputs not connecting with each other. That's very important. They need to go straight on and into a redstone torch. They each have to go into a redstone torch. The redstone torch signals has to connect somewhere, go into another redstone torch. In that case, only if you flick one, it will just stay on because all the redstone torches are staying the same. But if you flick all 3 down, it all go down, and this redstone torch will light up, giving the redstone signal out of that torch. And I'm sure you all know how to build it out of that. Then you have the 3-time button clicking. This is a design I found on iron redstone, but it's basically a counting machine. It uses a button input into this redstone torch, which goes along this staircase with redstone dust on. Repeater 4 ticks facing that direction with a redstone torch. Then you have to put repeaters, redstone dust, repeaters, redstone dust, repeaters, redstone dust. And the outputs are going to be taken from the blocks that extend, and this has to be sand or red sand. Can't be anything other. And the redstone dust has to be where your output is coming from, aka the sand, with regular pistons under there. And then to build the sand, you just put a block here, redstone torch, button, block, redstone dust. Then piston with sand going up, redstone repeater in 4 ticks, another regular piston with sand going up, another repeater with 4 ticks, and then once again. And you just can make this infinity long. I made it free, so it's 3 buttons. And then you just plain repeater into this redstone torch, or just into. It doesn't have to be in a redstone torch. That is your output. And then for this one is a little bit tricky. You have to use stone slabs for this. I also found this design out of iron redstone. But basically, what happens is you have to build a shape like that. Then you place a comparator running out of the hopper, running into the comparator with redstone dust, repeater, no ticks, into there, and you can't see it, but on the side of that block is a redstone torch. And then that hopper has to be connected to other hoppers that are transporting the item you want from that chest. And that chest, you choose the item you want to fill it in. Put 18 of that in the first slot and 4 of that in the other slots. And I'll make sure on the second hopper that's running into the other chest you're saving it with has another just one of your items. Then all it will go through, and when it goes through, you can use a comparator signal to repeaters to stop this redstone all things connecting, and run it from your output, which is a turned off redstone torch, or just plain like that. All the connection outputs has to be run into this block. all the outputs has to be run into this block through redstone torches. It's just like that one. Then it has to be another redstone torch, and then your output can be from this. I just use command blocks to say killing the sun, say killing sun, set time to 18. Well, this can really be anything. That's like a nuclear bunker style activation sequence thing, I call it. And if you want to put another reset one on, if you turn any of our outputs off, it will, and this will push a redstone torch there next to that output. Then connect the original output to that, time set 0, will set the sun back to normal. Okay, make sure there's a stone slabs, and the only way you can reset this line is to take out the sponge. Okay, and that has been the behind the scenes of the Sunkiller. Thank you very much. Subscribe if you liked, and like if you liked. See you all next time. Goodbye.